Grade 12, here we have an interpenetration and development activity. We are going to zoom in on the information, read through it and analyze it to be able to complete all the different requirements of the interpenetration and development. Let's have a look. So what is given to us is the incomplete front view and the top view of an equilateral triangular prism. Now let's look at that prism that we are talking about. It is this prism that you see here, which has an equilateral triangular base, and it continues where it states that it has been shaped to fit around a right regular hexagonal prism. And this is the hexagonal prism that it is wrapped around. So here we have the hexagonal one, and that is the front view of that. And here you can see how it's wrapped around. It states further that the axes of both prisms lie in common vertical plane. Let's look at that. It simply means that the center of the hexagonal prism is aligned with the center of the equilateral prism, and there you can see evidence of that. That is the center, and it aligns. An auxiliary view of the triangular prism has also been given to allow us to draw that shape. So here we have that equilateral triangular shape, and you will see that it lines up for us to be able to draw that and then to be brought down so that we can complete this equilateral triangular prism that wraps around that hexagonal prism here. The instructions are clear that you need to draw to scale 1:1. In 2.1, the given top view, which is going to be this view over here, that is the given top view as it is. And then you will have to draw 2.2, the complete front view, clearly showing the curve of interpenetration. That is going to be your front view. That has been omitted, so you need to find the curve of interpenetration here from your top view, which you will see it wraps around here. You need to complete a right view as well, and that right view, learners, will be on your left hand side. So that right view will be on this side here, which is your left side. And of course, when you are going to do space planning, you are going to start by drawing this perfectly in the center of the page, so that you have that auxiliary view on your right and your right view on your left. And that will leave us with enough space to complete all the different components. 2.4, the development of the surface of the triangular prism must be done as well. And you need to make AB the seam. And you will find that AB is there on top, which is that there, and that's going to be the seam line. You will open it up there, and you will unfold this side and that side adjacent to this side here. And that can be done perhaps on top. So space planning is very important. Then of course you need to show all the hidden detail, and you need to show all the necessary construction while completing this drawing. Grade 12, let us use the rules of interpenetration and development to be able to complete this activity. Let us start.